Can I help you, mate?
No, I'm alright, mate, cheers.
You ain't taking photos here, mate. Where have you come from?
Where have I come from? That's a bit of a funny question.
Can I help you? Is there anything that I... Hello, mate.
Hello.
How you doing, alright?
I'm doing good, mate, cheers, how are you?
Good, not too bad. You an auditor?
I wouldn't say I was the auditor, I'm just getting some footage, mate.
Okay. Oh, yeah, no worries. As long as you just stay beyond the perimeter, you're absolutely fine to take photos and bits. So.
Okay, I can see everything from here.
Yeah.
It's alright, I'm going to stay out. I just want to... I see Forky doing a bit of loading there. That's interesting to me, so I'm just getting some footage.
Yeah, no worries. No worries.
Besides that, I'll be gone in a bit.
Cool. I'll leave you to it, mate.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Take off. Home point updated.
Okay, so that's Petrarch. And that's the whole site. Right, there's the second full key. There's the other side of the building there, not much to see. More of those plastic cable housing, whatever those are. Fairly clean site. Well organised, isn't it? Some delivery bays. I will respect them and remain off their site. Not really much to see. And there's the office. Smoking area at the back. And that, I believe, is Queensway. The notorious road in Hastings, but I don't think you'll see anything at the back. No solar panels. I want to go around. Full orbital of the building. Then we'll come home, watch out for the seagulls. What's up, man?
What's your favourite, could I?
What's that?
I don't suppose you could have a little look. there's a gutter line at the front and at the centre where that ridge is, and at the rear. Couldn't have a little look in them and just see how full of shit they are. We had them replaced last year, but I'm just intrigued as to whether I need to get them cleaned out.
Of course, mate. Write me your email down, I'll send you the footage if you like.
You the man.
Oh. Right, what, that got in there?
Yeah. That actually looks pretty clear. That looks pretty damn good.
Yeah, it could do a little
It could do a
thing,
bit
but
of clean-up,
nothing
and it's
built
not
up.
too bad, no. Ain't half bad, you know. We'll take that.
I don't know, a little bit,
Yeah, there's a bit of leaves and stuff built up. It's not too bad at all. You can have a look at the one in the centre where the ridges meet in the middle, could you?
oh, there we go. See that?
It's a bit dark in there, isn't it? No, it's quite starting to build up, isn't it?
That looks fairly clean to me.
Yeah, it's not too bad. We had them replaced last year. We had trees growing in them, but rotten right through.
Yeah.
A bit better, but I've just started to have a few drips coming in place.
I could use a bit of a clean.
Yeah, they could, couldn't they?
Yeah, but I've just done a lovely orbital of your building.
Oh, yeah.
Like I say, if you want any of the footage, I'll send it to you.
Sweet.
Nah, looks fairly,
Pretty good.
fairly clean.
All right, we'll take that.
Oh.
Thanks for doing it.
Okay, no worries, pal.
What's the channel name?
It's a new one. It's Mr. Voodoo.
Mr. Voodoo.
Mr. Voodoo, yeah.
Oh, will that be on? Will that be on the YouTube video?
Maybe. Yeah, probably just a little bit.
Yeah,
probably
cool.
just a little
Yeah,
sniffing.
spot on. Oh, I've seen them now. That's good. Thank you for doing that.
I mean, your guttering. No, I won't put your guttering on there.
No.
No, I don't think people need to see that.
All right. Thank you very much.
All right, see you later, pal.
Yeah. Take care.
Mr. Voodoo, it's a new one. Yeah, all it, I'm just getting.
Landing.
Petrarch, not Patriarch. Yeah, Mr. Voodoo. I want to do drone footage. Petrarch. 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 That's strange, isn't it? Okay, Petrarch. Petrarch is a UK-based manufacturer of premium building facade solutions, best known for its Petrarch reconstituted stone rain screen cladding panels and related framing system is used in modern architecture and construction.